Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing well this week. This is yet another report from the Scholars Sports Desk where we keep you up to date on the latest Scholars athletics and sports. My name is John and here's what will be on the lineup from March 29th to April 11th. Starting with high school athletics, stunt practices will be held on Monday, March 30th at 5 p.m., followed by practices on Tuesday, March 31st at 7 and 5. And then on Wednesday, April 1st, practices will be at 7 a.m. and 4 p.m. During the spring recess, stunt will also have practices on Thursday, April 2nd, starting at 9 a.m., and Monday, April 6th, Tuesday, April 7th, Wednesday, April 8th, and Thursday, April 9th, all starting at 9 a.m. Boys volleyball will have an away game on Tuesday, March 31st, starting at 4:30, and then a practice on Wednesday, April 1st, starting at 7. Also on Tuesday, March 31st, golf will be having a match at Diker Golf Course starting at 4 p.m. Moving on to middle school athletics, girls basketball will be having an away game on Tuesday, March 31st, starting at 10 a.m., followed by a practice later in the day starting at 3. That will be all for this week, but make sure to stay up to date with the latest information regarding all things Scholar Sports by subscribing to our YouTube channel, checking out psao.org, and looking at our calendar under the school landing page, scholarsnyc.com, so you don't miss out on an opportunity to know when things are happening with Scholar Sports throughout the season. That's it for the sports report this week. I'm John, and I'll see you next time.